vlog. Good morning, everyone. Today was a sad morning.
Really sad.
Matthew left, our older brother, to go to college. He's going to college in Texas. We're super excited for him and that he still is getting to have a college experience. A lot of his classes are online, but he still gets to go there and move into a dorm. So he and my mom are driving his car and it's gonna stay there, and my mom is flying back. Anyway, that means for the next week until Saturday, it is just Allie, Reba, me, and my dad. I have not vlogged at all this week, so this is kind of weird. This is the first time I've vlogged all week long since last weekend, but we're about to leave to go on a hike. We're gonna go on a hike and then go get some Dunkin' Donuts. I am so excited. My dad grew up on the East Coast, so he loves Dunkin' Donuts. I feel like I'm more of a Starbucks girl, but I love me a good chocolate donut, nothing like it. And then we're gonna start up our healthy eating again on Monday, because yesterday we had a horrible day of eating. We ate out for every single meal. We had a bunch of treats because it was my brother's last day here. Anyway, it's time for a hike. Okay, we made it to our hiking trail. Come on. She's been whining this whole car ride. She's so excited. Okay, we're done with the hike. I literally look so crazy and sweaty. You have a good time? And now it is donut time. Oh yes.
Really good.
This looks amazing. Okay, that was yummy. It is my turn to drive. I'm gonna drive us home. Look at Reba. She's just living her best life back there. Hello guys, update. I am obviously back home now. It is currently almost 1:30. I spent the last, like, honestly hour editing this picture. I'll insert it on the screen. I ended up changing my Instagram editing style a little bit. I was trying to get the perfect formula of how I wanted this picture edited, and I started putting the same filter on other pictures, and I was like, I'm using this for the rest of time. So I need to figure out a caption and post that photo soon. But my dad is taking Allie to cheer, and when he comes back, we're gonna go to the grocery store so we can get food for this week. Anyway, while he's taking Allie to cheer and coming back, I'm gonna try to knock out doing the voiceover for my what I eat in a day video. I have the first part scripted out, but the rest of it, I think I'm just gonna wing it, try to see how that works out for me. I used to do a lot more voiceover videos. Now I really just do vlogs and sit down videos where I'm talking to the camera. So this will be a little different for me. Also, I probably should shower soon, but I think we might go in the pool later. Okay, it's time to do this voiceover. Also, the stickers are falling off of this, so I probably need a new little case for this soon, and it's literally broken right there. I got this case so I could put the stickers on it. That way, if I ever wanted this to look nice and professional, I could just pop that right off, but it's breaking, so. Anyway, I'm procrastinating. It's time to get to work. Hello everyone, update. We are currently on our way to the grocery store. My dad got back from taking Allie to cheer, and it's now 3 o'clock. I have not gotten very much footage today, and it's already so late in the day, but I went on Pinterest and we picked out some meals for the week. I think I'm most excited about our taco mac and cheese. Anyway, that is the current update. I'll give you guys a grocery haul when we get back. I still did not finish my voiceover because I am such a perfectionist and I had to redo like every single clip about 800 times.
You don't know. You don't know.
Sanitize. Awesome. Special.
That's pretty good packaging.
We're back. I said I would give you guys a haul, but then the egg situation happened. So I'll just show you guys my snack bin for the week. I talked about this in my what I eat in a day video, but if you didn't watch that, basically I just try to make a little bin of healthier snacks. That way whenever I'm hungry and want something to snack on, I will just immediately go to this instead of something not so healthy. So I have some cashews, almonds, this Skinny Pop, the best. I have been loving popcorn recently. I don't know why. And then these bars. Okay, I was hardcore hating on these Go Macro bars in my vlog. I don't remember which one it was, but I was hating on these bars. I was like, yeah, these aren't very good. Like, I expected much better because a girl that I follow on Instagram hyped these up so much. Anyway, I had bought 3 of them at the time because I expected them to be really good, and I was not a fan of the first one. I ate the other 2 because I was like, you know what, I'm just gonna get rid of them. The second one was a little better, and the third one, I was like, this is so good. So I think I just had to have a couple in order to like these. I don't know, but I just ate one as a little snack, and I just thought I would let you guys know that my opinion has completely changed on the Go Macro bars. So that's that. I also am trying this popcorn for the first time. I've never tried it before. It's called Simply Popped. and it's just butter, sea salt, popcorn, and oil, so no other like crazy added ingredients. So I'll let you guys know how that is. I'm probably gonna have some of that tonight, but that is my little snack bin. Normally I try to eat like fruits and vegetables for snacks. I'm a little healthier, but I'm a big snacker, so this helps control my snacking obsession a little bit. Okay, come on Reba. One sec. Croissant bun. Okay, a couple things. Don't mind the mess behind me, but first thing, I posted an Instagram picture about this, and I thought I would share it with you guys because I feel like God was kind of telling me to talk about this. So yesterday I found a journal from my middle school Bible class, and it had a bunch of prayer requests in it. My Bible teacher would have us write down prayer requests, praise reports, things like that, and I looked back at it and I was literally mind blown. I was floored because I realized that God had answered so many of my prayers and I didn't even realize it, because I was so caught up in everyday life that I would just pray for something and wouldn't even think much of it, or I'd be like, okay, we have to write the prayer request again, because it was super repetitive. She'd have us do it every single day. Anyway, I was looking at it and had a realization that God had answered so many of my prayers back then, like even just little things that I would pray for every day because I had to come up with something in my head during my first period Bible class every day or whenever it was. So I just wanted to encourage you guys to write down some of your prayers, and just a week from now, a month from now, even a year from now, who knows, look back and you'll kind of realize the power of prayer and how God really answers so many of our prayers and we don't even realize it. We don't even think for a second about it. So sorry, I had to adjust the angle a little bit, but if you want to be added to a little group where we can all share prayer requests and praise reports, please send me a DM on Instagram, and I will do my best to add everyone who sends me a DM, because I don't want to just give you guys like a message or something that I feel like God is telling me to say and not give like a practical way to take action. So that's a little something fun that I'm doing, and that's what I love about being a little bit more of a smaller creator, because I can do things like this. Somebody with 1 million subscribers or followers, it'd be a lot more difficult for them to create a group like this where everyone can share that. Please send me a DM if you are interested. And now I gotta get to work because I'm a chatty Kathy and I've been talking to the camera for forever. So we'll see what I can do. I will keep you guys updated. Okay, I'm like this close to being finished editing, but look who's back. So it's time for cooking with Katie and Allie. Woo! So I wanted to make the Caesar chicken and put it on a salad for a little bit of a healthier option, but our girl Allie wants the taco mac and cheese instead. I mean, it's not gonna be that unhealthy because we have protein in there and I'm using the chickpea pasta, so it shouldn't be bad. Okay, we got some double croissant bun action happening right now. Also, Allie and I are in a fight because I just realized that she, what'd you do?
Literally every time.
No, what'd you do?
Oh, I wore her mask. All my friends at cheer, if you watch this,
She wore
the pink mask that I was wearing is actually Katie's.
Did you get compliments? How many?
2.
Did you tell them that it was mine?
Actually, it's my sister's.
And here's the worst part about this. So she took the mask, right, that I bought with my own money, wore it to her cheer practice. I can put a new filter in or wash it, so it really is not that big of a deal in the grand scheme of things. But I asked her, I was like, you knew that was mine, right? Like, you knew that was mine? And she said no. And then she later admitted to lying. So anyway, this pan looks really old, but we're gonna start by cooking up the ground beef. That's the first step. We are also gonna use this pasta to make it a little healthier. It's made of chickpeas and it has pretty good comparison to, she's doing TikTok dances, has a pretty good comparison to your average pasta, and it's gluten-free, vegan, non-GMO, all the good things. Okay, can you please get the ground beef out? I literally, this is the third time I ask you. Ground beef.
Where?
Oh, don't, that's raw meat. We're really looking like twins right now. Thumbnail. We got the thumbnail, and now we're gonna cook up our organic, grass-fed ground beef.
Organic ground beef.
All right, we're gonna do time lapse. We'll see you when our taco mac and cheese with tomatoes is all cooked.
The end.
Bye. Our dinner is ready, and we got some grapes. This is what we call gourmet right here. Time for a taste test.
So good.
Did you already eat some? We need to pray. Amen.
Amen.
Bon appetit.
No, this is from the recipe?
Yeah, I did not come up with this myself. Okay. It tastes like Mom's Mexican pizza.
A little bit, it's tasty.
Mmm. What would you rate it?
8.5.
Okay.
9.
Allie, 9. I think 8.5. It's rich, for
It's
sure.
rib food.
Hello guys, it's Thursday, and I filmed this vlog on Sunday. Do not mind the scene behind me. The moving situation's just making things look a little crazy. Also, my hair looks crazy. I jumped in the ocean with my clothes on earlier today because I didn't have a swimsuit. Anyway, long story short, I have like beach hair that I tried to brush and it kind of looks all frizzy. Not the point of this, but like I said, filmed this vlog on Sunday and I went to edit it today and I realized I never ended the vlog. So I'm filming a little outro right now, have a couple things to cover, and then I will end this video. First of all, a little update on the group chat I was talking about. I created it and it has been so amazing to see everybody praying for each other. People have asked for advice, we've sent encouraging quotes. I'm going to, for a week after this video goes live, add more people to the group, and then I think I want to cut it off because I don't want it to be too exposed. So shoot me a DM on Instagram if you guys want to be included. It's on the app Telegram, and it has been so cool to see how God is using that. So that's my little update on the chat. The second update I want to talk to you guys about is a YouTube thing. I think I've been kind of going back and forth on this, but I think it's just gonna be the best thing for me work-life balance wise. It feels so weird for me to call this work, but I'm like, wait, this is my job. So whenever school starts, which is this week until Sunday, is the last week, I'm gonna be uploading 3 days a week, and then I will cut back to 2 days a week whenever school starts, because school is technically like my full-time job at this age, and then I do YouTube stuff as well, and I just want to be able to pay attention to both and not get really bad grades. So I hope you guys understand. I was only uploading once a week last school year, once or twice a week, but I'm gonna try to stick with twice a week. If that's too much for me, which I don't think it will be, I'm pretty sure now I have a pretty good workflow, so I'll be able to make videos and have things ready to go in advance. I might go back to once a week, but once a week isn't really fun because you kind of forget like what's going on in my life, and I can't really talk to you guys and show you guys enough. I think that's all for this vlog. Basically, after we ate on Sunday, I just relaxed, and honestly, I don't really remember, so it probably wasn't something very significant. With all of that said, that concludes today's video. Thank you guys so much for watching. If you enjoyed it, be sure to give it a big thumbs up. Subscribe below if you have not already, and I will see you very soon in my next video. Bye, guys. Mwah.